The DMA temperature calibration procedure is based on ASTM E1867. It is highly recommended to perform the temperature calibration using a certified reference material, such as indium wire, which is supplied by Mettler-Toledo as a DMA accessory. The indium reference sample is measured, and the temperature of the fusion point is determined by the onset of the step on the storage modulus curve in the evaluation window of STAR-E software. Prepare a sample by placing a piece of indium wire in the supplied PTFE tube. Crimp the ends of the tube. Mount the sample carefully in the single cantilever clamp. Finger tighten the 4 extended nuts. Position the thermocouple as close as possible to the sample without them coming into contact. In a method window of the STAR-E software, prepare a single cantilever method with a dynamic segment heating from 140 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius at 5 Kelvin per minute. Select single frequency, 1 Hz, and enter the displacement amplitude, 50 micrometers. Save this method with the proper file name, DMA1 temperature calibration. Measure the free length of the sample mounted and the diameter using a vernier caliper. Note down the length and the diameter. In the experiment window of the STAR-E software, select DMA under TA Technique and the previously saved method file. Enter the sample name Indium in PTFE tube and the measured dimensions of the cylindrical sample in the corresponding box. Mount the furnace and start the experiment. Send the experiment to the DMA module by clicking the Send Experiment button. After the completion of the experiment, open the measured curve in the evaluation window of STAR-E software. Evaluate the onset of the step change in the E', that is the storage modulus curve for the indium melting. Temperature calibration can be performed for each individual clamp under Calibration Adjustment, Single Sample Temperature Adjustment in the module window. Enter the evaluated onset melting temperature for indium in the box next to the true value. Simply click OK to perform the temperature adjustment. Mettler-Toledo recommends preventive maintenance combined with calibration for your TA module. This instrument-specific service is typically performed at predefined intervals, for example, annually, and ensures long-term and failure-free operation. We have now shown you how to do the single sample temperature calibration. Further tips and hints can be found in the handbook, Thermal Analysis in Practice.